They are just time wasters. These are the energy suckers out of you. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie from breakfreeandprosper.com, and you're probably wondering, why are you so glam, Natalie? That's because I'm going out with my friends and we're going out for a couple of drinks, and I am actually running late, so this is gonna be a really quick one. Today we're gonna talk about the importance of prioritizing and knowing what is important in your business and what's not important in your business, and being able to get rid of what's not important in your business. Now, I know that in a couple of my videos before, I always talk about helping people, giving value to people, building relationships with people. But on the contrary, sometimes it is okay to be selfish. And that is because you've only got 24 hours in your day, just like everyone else. And if you want to be successful, then you have to learn how to put those hours to good use. And so, sorry, I've always wanted to be good at vlogging, but my arms are just so weak to do this. Anyway, I get a couple of messages from people every single day, and a majority of them are freaking time wasters. And some of them are just perverts. Some of them are just leeches, you know. They just want to get information from you, but not actually put in the work or execute or do anything with it. And they're just stuck in paralysis analysis, and then they complain. I hate these people who ask and ask questions, and then you answer them, and then they don't do anything, and they complain that they're not getting any results just because they put up one post. And I get people who try and sell me Bitcoin. Freaking Bitcoin. Everyone's trying to sell Bitcoin, and I am not trying to focus on Bitcoin right now. I know, there's potential and that is a good business, but I'm just not trying to do that right now, and that's just not what I want. So these are the signs of people who there's no results. There's no good that's gonna come out of it. They are just time wasters. These are the energy suckers out of you. And in the beginning, I used to think that if I want to grow my business, I have to reply to every single message, because if I'm trying to build relationships, then I'm gonna have to just be prompt and just be there for everybody. But then later on, I realized that, wow, that was a useless conversation. So I asked my mentor, I said, how do I get rid of these people who are wasting my time? How do I do it politely? And he was like, it's just the way it is. There are going to be these types of people, and all you can do is just not reply. Because the more you reply and hope for the conversation to end, that's not usually gonna be the way it will end. And so you just gotta, be able to detect these type of people who are just time wasters, or even the tasks that you do, or anything that would be a waste of your time. You need to really detect it and put it to a stop. Put it, just end it right now. I still get these people who are messaging me, and I'm not sure if is this person actually serious? Do they really need my help to really build their business, or are they just wasting my time? Are they just being a pervert, or are they just trying to sell me something, Bitcoin? And so, my mentor told me that the people who contact you are either trying to sell you something or either trying to get something from you. So you need to really be able to quickly identify what this person wants. If you want to take your business to the next level, then you need to understand that those people who are serious and who respect your time are not going to beat around the bush. And that's because they are also running their business, or they are also trying to get a solution to their problem. So they're not going to beat around the bush, and they're actually going to ask you something straight up, and they're going to be straightforward and get right to the point. And that's how you identify the serious ones. That's how you know who the serious ones are. Don't get trapped when people are just trying to, waste your time. So what I've been doing now is that when someone sends me a message and says hello, when I reply, I say, hi, how can I help you? That's how I reply. I don't just say hey back, because then it's gonna be another whole conversation of small talk, right? How can I help you? And then just cut right to the chase. And if you put your time to good use, then your business is gonna grow, and when you make money, you can actually buy more time. meaning, you know, like you'll be able to retire quicker, or you'll be able to, you know, live longer because you can afford the best medical insurance. But I hope you get the point. I hope you know that time is the most valuable asset in your life. And I know that it's easy to forget this and to just, you know, you want to chill sometimes, you want to relax sometimes, you want to have fun sometimes. But every single second, every single minute, and every single hour should be for something. So right now I'm going out with my friend, and it's actually a good thing, and that's because I can actually like socialize, and when I socialize I feel like that's where I get creative. And these are not just, you know, normal friends. These are people who are like-minded and they are in the same industry that I'm in. And so like it's okay to, you know, go out and have fun and like catch up with people. You don't have to hustle, grind all the time, so that when you're done, then you're going to be recharged and inspired and motivated and refreshed to put out the best work that you can into your business. I hope this video was valuable, and if you guys want to learn how to start an online business through affiliate marketing, then click the link down below, breakfreeandprosper.com. Guys, visit me on Instagram because that's where I get a bit more personal on stories, and I can actually get to talk to you through DM. So visit me on Instagram. It's natalieclaire.com. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!